me something I've been wondering. It's been weighing on my mind.
Hi everybody, listen in. You hear that? Sure is quiet up here. Welcome to Chemeketa Park. We're up here at 17520 Comanche Trail, a 4-bed, 2-bath with 1,623 square feet. We got the full detached garage and workshop, along with 0.3 acres of a corner lot with full privacy. Come on, let's go check it out.
Let's put us on rewind.
Here's our grand living space with vaulted ceilings. It's almost like a full lodge in here, and these beautiful custom windows bring in so much natural light from the outdoors. You barely even need to turn the lights on during the day.
Try and get back to the start.
Here in this beautiful kitchen, we got colorful custom cabinetry, all cherry wood cabinets. We have beautiful granite countertops with amethyst gemstone. This is the space right here that really ties the whole place together, bringing so much color and character. This is a true chef's paradise here with a full industrial range to really fix up some good grub for the guests and family members.
Rewind, rewind, rewind.
Welcome to the primary bedroom here. Absolutely gorgeous. Fit a massive size bed in this room, as well as in the back here we got full walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom. Feel free to come on back and check it out.
Together, I don't know how we've been so blind. Just press pause, steps back for a minute, take ourselves back to the beginning. Let's put us on rewind. Just press rewind.
We have hundreds of acres of holy city land right here in the backyard, as well as Los Gatos Creek for good times with recreation and hiking.
Just press pause, step back for a minute, take ourselves back to.
So here right behind me we got the detached garage, which doubles as a full-on wood shop. And as well, we got 7 car spaces for parking and plenty of room down below for a full RV.
Rewind, rewind us. Tell me something I
Here in Chemeketa Park, we got a tight-knit community with a clubhouse, a full playground, as well as a community garden. It's a really nice, beautiful place to live up here. Not to mention, we're located in the Los Gatos School District, which is highly acclaimed.
I don't know how we fit together.
Up here, we're on the entertaining space, a large deck overlooking the whole neighborhood. Up here, we got an eagle's point of view of all the beautiful redwoods. This truly is an outdoor paradise out here for gardening, barbecuing, and having a good time. Not to mention, here in this location in Chemeketa Park, we're about as close as you can be to Silicon Valley without paying those astronomical prices. So right here, we can shoot out to Silicon Valley, or even easier is going over to Santa Cruz to go check out some private beaches.
Back to the start.
Well, this has been the quick tour here at 17520 Comanche Trail up here in Los Gatos. If you have any questions or would like to take a tour in person, feel free to give me a call at 831-359-5025. This was Josh, the local mountain realtor.